Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Hassan. Welcome to my 7th ArcGis tutorial. At first, let us check out today's content. Today we will learn about what is a map and map elements. This includes map body, title, legend, north arrow, scale bar, map source, insert map, and index map. And then we will learn the page and print setup in ArcMap. And lastly, we will learn making a basic map in ArcGIS with all its elements. And end of it, we will learn how to export a map in ArcGIS. What is a map? A map is a symbolic depiction emphasizing relationships between elements of some space, such as objects, regions, or themes. Many maps are static, fixed to paper or some other durable medium, which others are dynamic or interactive. This is a map with all its basic elements. At first, this is the title of the map. In this map, the title is District-wise COVID-19 Case and Prevention Behaviors in Bangladesh. This is title, and this is the main body of the map. This is the north arrow of the map, and this is the scale bar, and this is our legend, and we can see this is our coordinate, and lastly this is the source where I from where I have taken this map. The source is knowledge and prevention behavior regarding COVID-19 in Bangladesh, a nationwide distribution. This is taken from a paper in a journal. Now we will learn how to plot a map with its all basic elements in ArcMap. Okay, now we will see how to plot a map with all of its elements in ArcMap. For that, first of all, we have to open our ArcMap. It's opening, it will take some time. Our ArcMap is open, and now to plot a map, we have to input our data from here, add data. This is our shapefile, we will edit. This is our shapefile. This is a word boundary map and road map of Technap Union. To plot a map, we have to go to the view and go to the layout view. Here is our layout view, and at first we will resize our page. For that, we will right click on here and go to the page and print setup. From here, we will select our paper size. We will select A4 because it is the most commonly used to print paper. From orientation, we can select portrait or landscape. We want our map in portrait, and here we can see the width, height. We can manually increase and decrease them. Okay, now we'll click OK. Now we got our layout here. Now we want to resize this map in the layout of our in our layout. For that, we will go to the administrative boundary and right click on it and click to zoom to layer. If you click zoom to layer, it will be adjusted automatically, and then we will go to the here in scale bar. This is we can make reference line from here. We'll right click on it. From here we will right click, another right click. We'll take same space from the edge. Let's take the space by manually moving the cursor. Okay, this is almost our layout is ready. Now we'll fix our map size by dragging it. Now our map is fit to the layer. Now we want to add our elements in the one by one in this map. For that, we will go to the insert section. From here, we will go to the title. At first, we'll give the title first, that is word and road boundary, of Technop. Then we'll click OK. This is our title. We can edit our text and resize our font size and change our font. We'll see that later. At first, we'll basically add all the elements in our map and prepare a simple map from ArcMap. Okay, we'll adjust our adjust our title on the map, and then we will go to the insert again, and now we will add our north arrow. This is very important. This is our north arrow. We can put this in at any side of the map where we want. I will put here. I want to resize it and make it little bigger. We'll we'll try to give the north arrow always vertically upward, because this is the most commonly used from. Okay, now we'll go to the insert again, and now we'll add our scale bar from here. There are many kind of scale bar. Try to select the simple layout. That is, let's say we want this scale bar here. Click OK. Now drag down the scale bar here. If you right click on it and go to the properties, you can increase the size and position of this scale bar. We will increase the size. Let's say we want it 3, and height of this will be 1. Apply. Now you can see the scale is very bigger. We'll decrease it again to an 0.9, 0.08. Okay, we'll apply again. Now it is more or less okay. Let's click OK. We'll try to make sure that this is not in fraction. We'll see this series in our next tutorial. Now we will simply just simply just input a Excel in here. We'll go to the properties again. From here in numbers and marks, we can fix the ends in 0, so that the scale doesn't end in a fraction number. From format and frame format, we can change the font size out, for make it bold, italic, etc. And we can also select lots of font from here. We'll see this in later in details. Okay, now we'll just simply click OK, and we'll manually click readjust it, so that it doesn't end in a fraction number from 0 to 1 kilometers. Make it more. Here we go. We'll go to the properties again and make and resize the scale. Make it little smaller. There we go. We have to adjust it again. Okay, now our scale is ready. Now if we will go to insert again and input our legend from here, just click next. This is our legend. In our legend, we can see there is a road, a structure, a poly road, and an administrative boundary. The legend is very small. We will increase the font of the legend. For that, we will go to the properties again by right clicking on the legend. After going to the properties, we will go to the size and increase it by 1. Let's make it 1. Let's make it 3, and the height would be 1.9. Okay, apply it. Now our legend is almost clear to our eyes. Now we'll fix it here. By dragging it down. This is our legend. We can give our legend here, or we can take it to this left corner, resize it by here. Okay, our legend is ready. We'll right click on here and go to the properties. After that, we'll go to the grid and add new grid and click next, and finish. Now we'll check mark here. This is already check mark. If this is not marked, we'll mark here and go to the new grid and go to the properties, and from properties we'll go to the grids and click on new grids, then go to the next, and we'll check mark this point and go to the properties again. From here we'll go to the levels and select left and right, and again go to the lines and select do not show lines or trees. Click OK, apply, and click OK again. And this is our coordinate that is assigned to our map. This will not be appear if the map is not georeferenced, or the coordinate system is not declared previously. Okay, now Now every map has a source from where we take our data, or the whom we who, from where we have just take our data and who made the map. To add this source, we will go to the insert and go to the text sections. If you see there is a top box of text, we click on it and write this map is provided by our Kuwait authority, Kuwait URB development. And then we will click and we can adjust the alignment from here, and we can size and portion of the font from here again. We can font a little bit smaller. We'll get one like okay. Now it is all right. Click OK. Now adjust it in the corner. Okay, this is a very basic form of map. The things we added here is the title, this is the map body, the whole map, and this is the legend of this map, and this is our north sign, and this is our scale bar, and plus this is our source from where we have the map is provided, or we collected our data and we just made the map. Now our map is prepared, and finally we will go to the file and make it export and click on export map. To export map, we select our resolution. It is this has to be at least 300. The best one is 600 dpi, and we can save this in JPEG form and PDF PNG form. We select JPEG and give it a name. Let's say this is our word map, and save it here. The map is saving. Now if we open our map, now let's open our map. This is our map. This is prepared here. The legend had just shifted to the left. We can fix it again and export the map again. We'll see all these things in details in our next video. Now we just learn how to input our shapefile and go to the layout form and add our map elements such as title, north sign, legends, and scale bar, and the source and the coordinate. And we'll see in our next video how to fix them and how to edit them, how to change their properties and make our map more beautiful and visually balanced. Till then, have a good day, and thank you all for your patience.